In this video, I show you exactly how to do an invisible decrease, and I'm using 2 colors of yarn so you can be sure to get it exactly right. I want to show you how to do an invisible decrease. Since I'm using 2 colors at this point, I think it would be easier for you to see what's going on. So what you're going to do, I'm going to decrease right here these 2 stitches and make them count as 1. I'm going to look at the top, find the front loop, scoop my hook into there. And it's going to feel a little awkward. Go down and scoop up the front loop of the second stitch. So then you have the 2 loops, the 2 front loops of those stitches on your hook. Yarn over, pull through those 2. So think of that as that's the connecting stitch that turns those 2 into 1. And now this is a single crochet. Then just keep working your single crochet. You can see there, you can't even tell where I did it. There's no weird gap, lump, space, none of that. And I'm going to work another one because this round has 2 decreases. All right, now I'll work another one. Front loop 1, go down, front loop, second stitch, pull through those 2, that turns them into 1 stitch. Then work the single crochet. And then keep going. See how easy that is? If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing if you're a crocheter. I'd love to see you again. I have lots of crochet content. Thanks for watching.